We'll
go back to our sharing.
Oh, first go sing first.
No, we never share things finish.
So we also have drum kits on there. So 123 to 134 will be the keys will now change into drums. Okay. We'll figure it out.
Like how good are you?
Smooth. I can just freestyle. I can play chords and then you just as you're singing along, I'll be following your chord.
Okay, you go first. You need amplifier.
G, D. This is Sha E. The last one is always E. The first one is G, I think.
Okay.
Yeah,
Last
I know
one
this is G. This should be D. I don't know. But I do remember the hand placement. I think D, Remy.
It's not tuned.
D
Shit.
is like this.
It's not tuned. Yeah, yes, please.
And ahead of
tuned. We have
us,
to
the distract
tune
us.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many does about want to stop listening to this guy?
You need that thing, right?
Yes.
You can use your hand now.
Wasn't that good, but it's okay.
It's up. For whoever knows how to play the guitar.
Do you have to play this one?
No, he's about to fake the whole shit. Even the way he's holding it. Oh my.